Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To add link here in Canva is a simple process. All you have to do is follow these steps. Number one is I want you to click the project or design that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to template. From here, you can start from a business design, social media, education, video, marketing, and print products. If you want to start from scratch, just click the create a design option here. And then in my case, I'm going to put in, for example, a photo like this one. Okay, I'm gonna put it here, and then the next is gonna be say a thumbnail that I'm going to use later, and then after that I'm hovering to the video right here, for example of this one. Now, there's a couple of things that you can do to link any elements here in Canva. All right. I'm going to add another text here. Maybe this one. I'm going to make it like a different color. Probably this. I'm going to be a little bit, make it smaller. Probably just around here. Now, for you to link anything here in Canva, there are two ways. Click the element and then there's going to be a three dots icon wherein you can put in the link. All right. Now you can link any design that you are working here in Canva. For example, I'm going to link this text into the how to insert YouTube video in Canva, or how to outline how to use Canva for Canvas. Let me link that. What will happen is it's going to be underlined. That means this element has been linked. Similarly to the photo, I'm going to click on the more options. I'm going to put in the link, Control K. Now in this case, I'm going to use this how to insert YouTube videos in Canva. All right, click on done. You see there's going to be a link for that. Alternatively to the video here, you can also put in, say for example, this image right here. Click on link. The shortcut is going to be Control K. All right, enter a link, or you can put in a specific link, for example youtube.com if you wanted, and press enter. Okay, click that, and basically that's how you link here in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.